Welcome and good morning. We are out on the Arizona Strip. We're going to go for a ride. It's going to be super fun. I've got some new goggles that I'm going to try out, and I don't remember what kind they are. I'll link it in the description below. They seem pretty cool. I decided to get some contacts, so when I'm riding, my glasses aren't bouncing around, and when I take my helmet off, I don't have to take off my glasses, take off my helmet, put my glasses back on very carefully. There's just some issues with it. I thought about getting some over-the-glasses goggles. Not a fan, so ended up just getting contacts. Anyway, let's go. And then, yeah, actually that's where I want to go. I do want to go over there. OHV, it's BLM, be good, and whatnot. Have I gone that way before? I think I have. I think that's the road that I used. That's the road that goes out to... I don't know. Sure, we'll take it again. Why not? It's a gorgeous day. I like this direction. And I don't know if I want to just ride on the Arizona Strip and I don't know how many offshoots there are, so let's definitely go hit... This is definitely a road to fun. So let's go have fun on the road to fun. So anyway, I was going to get gas, and there's like 16 pumps at least. 16 to 20 pumps. It was a big gas station for St. George. And I'm on the far left pump, and this guy who's riding this side-by-side pulls up right next to me. I'm in pump number 1, he pulls up to pump number 2. Now, it just felt a little weird. Not sure why. Maybe he felt like we were comrades because we were both off highway folks. I don't know what the etiquette is there, but I kind of tend to use pump etiquette like I would bathroom etiquette. You know, if you got a guy in one stall, you go to the other stall, like way over there, not close to him. That's weird. So was I supposed to turn here? Is there like another spot? Is this just a shooting range? No. Oh, cool. A little bit of water. It just feels so good. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. I spend my time every day, all day, inside, stuck in a computer, stuck by a computer, just working. And being able to get out here and just enjoy myself is the best feeling. It's so good. Life is so good when you're on a motorcycle. So there should be a road going that way right by the power lines, and that's where I got off last time. Okay, I know where I am. So if you want to get to Warner Valley from here, we take this offshoot. But I already know where that goes, and I've already taken this road as well. We're looking for roads that I haven't been on before, so continuing on. I'm just trying to remember if I've been here before. North what? Southern Trailhead, Middle Trailhead. Wow, this is interesting. Or it goes back that way, maybe. Oh no, the road crosses through this wash. Beautiful. Cool. Amazing. Oops. Am I in neutral? No, I'm good. Why was I bogging? I do not know why I was bogging down there, but It felt like I was in second gear. I gotta rev it. If I'm just idling, it does not like to idle. Okay. Whew. This is a big hill climb. We gotta start on the other side. Okay, so if I stop, that's gonna be tough. Wide open. Woo. That was a tough climb. Kind of loose rock, pretty steep. Oops. That was my bad. Hit a rock in a weird spot. Can go either. Oh, hey, look, it killed itself. Yeah, I have issues with the bogging down when I really rev it, and I don't know how to fix it. Huh. Okay. We're on this road. Second gear. Is this a first or second gear road? Great question. Ugh. First gear. Dang, died again. Man. Oh wow. This is crazy. Love it. It's hard to see where the rocks are. There's so much vegetation. It's so beautiful. Wow. Ooh, this is kind of washed out. Fun. Look at that. It just comes right off. We're on the trail. This is a sweet trail. A little rocky, but there was this trail that was really rocky, and I thought, well, you know, I've got full suspension. It's cool. I can totally do it. Like, it's capable. It just wasn't very fun. It was just like a road, a standard road, that was incredibly rocky. Oh, gonna bog. And it was just no fun. It was zero fun to ride because there were just so many rocks. It was like this, but 10 times worse. This one's kind of rocky. Like, there's quite a bit of rocks, but it's not that bad. They're not all big giant boulders. It's like there's still some dirt and it still doesn't feel bad. I'm trying to stay over here. It's so washed out. Ooh. Just don't want to go down the ravine. That's kind of steep. We'll stop to do some. Ooh. We'll do some looking out a little later. This is so fun though. Wow. I love these gearing in in this motorcycle. I really do. The first gear is just such a tractor gear. I was full throttle on that uphill, and I was spinning out on the back. The dirt was so loose, but I mean, we just kept climbing. It was pretty steep, but we just kept climbing and climbing and climbing. And then in second gear is so versatile. You can just kind of go and go and go. This was awesome. It smells amazing. Ah, can you smell that? No, you can't, but it smells amazing. Ah, it smells so good. What does it smell like? It just smells like desert. Wet desert has the best smell. In Texas, the wet smelled more moldy. It's just such a fresh, delicious scent when there's water in the desert. It's such a good smell. Ugh. This is the trail. Nice. This is so cool. This is what I wanted to find. I wanted to find a trail that we could go out and just explore. Okay, so we're taking this junction, which is new. This is a new thing. And I think it's going to take us back out to the road. Let's check it out. All right. Down here. This is so cool. I love this. What I'm doing. All right, let's not stop here. This is fairly steep. Not too bad. Yeah, this is just the road. Moac Trailhead. Seegmiller Overlook. Let's go check out Seegmiller Overlook, because that's cool. We are headed up to Seegmiller Overlook right now on the we took a detour off the Arizona Strip. I don't think we're that far on the Arizona Strip. We're maybe only 12 miles in or something. We've just been puttering around, having a good time. And then after that, we are headed home. So let's go take a look. I think we're headed up that switchback right up there. So let's go do that. Hey, thanks so much for coming on this ride. We went to Seegmiller Overlook, took a look at that, and we're riding around the Arizona Strip today. It's been super fun. We will see you in the next video. Bye now.